I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious vegetable croissants without an oven. First, gather your ingredients for the dough, which typically includes flour, butter, and a pinch of salt. Mix these together, adding a small amount of cold water until a cohesive dough forms. Knead it gently for about 5 minutes, then wrap it tightly and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes to firm up. This chilling step is crucial for a flaky texture. Next, prepare your savory vegetable filling. Sauté finely diced vegetables like carrots, peas, and potatoes with your favorite spices until tender. Once cooled, spoon a small amount onto the wide end of each dough triangle. Carefully roll the dough from the wide end towards the point, creating the classic croissant shape. Gently curve the ends inward to form a crescent. Repeat this for all your croissants. Now for the exciting part, cooking without an oven. If using a stovetop, heat a non-stick pan over medium-low heat and lightly grease it. Place the croissants in the pan, ensuring they don't touch, and cook for about 10 minutes on each side until golden brown and puffed. For an air fryer, preheat to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and cook for 12 to 15 minutes, flipping halfway through. They should be beautifully crisp. Finally, your delicious homemade vegetable croissants are ready to enjoy. Serve them warm, perhaps with a side of chutney or a fresh green salad. They make a fantastic breakfast, snack, or even a light dinner. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Thanks for watching and happy cooking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.